Hey, y'all, in and out, go to NDRA.com and get y'all this, man. Click the link. Man, get your tickets, man. He just go hard, just go crazy. Go to NDRA and get the tickets. Get the tickets, right? This so bad. Hey, whoever get this one, you get my favorite one. Ready? Ready, let's get it. Get over there, bro. What's up, what's up?
Mine's performance.
Oh. Yeah, you gotta make it perform.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah,
pretty girls rock. Not drive race cars.
Are you? I'm not scared. Are you?
No, I'm not scared.
Okay, let's do it.
I ride a race
Let's
car.
do it.
I drive a motorcycle and a race car.
Well, I have a race car right here.
Yeah, last time I seen you wasn't in it.
But it's mine. But it's mine.
Guess what?
That one's yours?
Meet me in the, I would say in the streets. So much. Top one. It's me, Babygirl_Florida. I'm here at Texas Motor Place. I'm ready to drop just a little bit of smoke and a whole lot of glitter.
You ain't want to drive it? They ain't popping up with a little wheelie.
And Bobby Willie.
That was a little wheelie.
No,
it was a little
it's
wheelie.
a big wheelie.
How big was it?
I don't want my motorcycle to pop.
It went straight in the air.
It popped a good wheelie like this with two wheels instead
But
of one.
it went straight down track.
Yeah,
So it's safe to
no,
drive.
the booty did like this,
No,
and then it went
No,
straight
it
up.
didn't.
It said.
It went straight down track.
I don't know about that.
It went straight down track. It didn't go straight down track.
It did. It's sweating though.
It's ready for you, baby. Come on here. So just now we made a test ride for the first time straight down track, and it went really fast. I feel pretty good about it. It's safe for the drive. So which one is it?
Let's try this burnout. Today is burnout day.
Hey, did you get the good footage on that Donkmaster TV? Oh, we good to go. How fast it says, baby? It's standing. Did it?
First time time, y'all. I'm gonna make y'all proud.
Denise right here, Babygirl Florida, in the driver's seat right now. The first time she about to make pass on the racetrack. How you feel, baby?
I'm wonderful. What's the name of that song?
No song, Denise. Focus on the race car. I'm worried about what you're going to do, baby. You have to focus on the race car. You have to focus. What you about to do? How's it good?
We got Babygirl Content. Left line, young body command. Turbo.
I got the scooter. Donkmaster, I know you're proud of it either way. I know you're proud of it. That's what I reached at. But you shoot it 2 times, so it look good. Now we can turn up a little bit, see what you get. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, you never say something. Nah. Hey, everybody. We had a wonderful time at Texas Motor Plate, the big showdown. I'm talking the food was fantastic. The people was lovely. The kids, everybody had a great time. My old lady, Babygirl Florida, went down the track. My heart said, she made it through. And after all that, I topped her off and I gave Demonati the game song. But the big showdown is for the fantastic. Y'all know we come back every year, man. We appreciate y'all coming out there. But this barbecue y'all got down there, that smoke and that, oh, I hit the floor. Fantastic. The fans were superb. We had a great time. Shout out to all the partners, sponsors, Boostain, Force Industry, Inner Chillers. Everybody who came out, fantastic, man. We had a great time. I remember finna eat my dinner. I sat the thing trophy for a couple hours. Man, great time. Y'all know how we do it, man. City to city, state to state, man. Texas Motor Place. Big showdown number 4. Fantastic. You want to hold it with 2 hands.
I don't want to
Bite that damn thing.
bite it and then give me a piece.
That'd be good.
Like a mama bird, you gotta bite it, chew it, and then hand it to me. Bite it off and then give me the piece.
Can't go get bite it. That'd be good as fuck.
I need